Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Minecraft tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off the narrator in Minecraft, or in other words, how to disable text-to-speech. This is actually quite simple, and as always we will look at this for both the Java and the Bedrock Edition. First I start the Java Edition, and there are now two options available to us here. On the one hand I can switch through the different modes of the narrator with the shortcut Ctrl B until I get to the point where it is switched off.
Narrator off.
If you think this sounded a little strange, this is because it tries to text-to-speech from German to English, and this is really horrible. Alternatively to the shortcut, I can also do this via the menu in the chat settings and via the narrator item.
Narrator off.
And now let's switch to the Bedrock Edition. Here in the Bedrock Edition I can also use the shortcut Ctrl B to switch text-to-speech on or off.
Text-to-speech enabled.
In contrast to the Java Edition, I only have the mode for on and off here with the shortcut. If for some reason this does not work for you, we can go to the settings as well, go to accessibility, and up here we find various settings for text-to-speech. So if you want text-to-speech for the user interface or the chat only, for example, you can switch them on or off here. For this tutorial, however, I will switch off all functions so that we can switch off the narrator in Minecraft completely. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy, bye.